Millions of women all over the world constantly struggle to shed the stubborn pounds. Most of them just wish to go down a dress size or two, or to look a little more toned, instead of having flabby arms that flap around like butterfly wings. In theory, exercise and healthy eating are paraded as the paradigms of successful weight loss. In reality, most women are either busy juggling family commitments or working a day job, and in many cases both. They just don't have the time and energy to spend hours at the gym or weigh their food daily and track their calories like a human abacus. So, they end up trying weight loss supplements or signing up for Zumba classes that they infrequently attend, or starving themselves in the hopes of losing weight. It all seems like too much effort that yields no fruit. Meanwhile, many women have been using a weight loss system that has been growing in popularity over the last year. It's called the Cinderella Solution, and it promises weight loss without arduous workouts, without expensive pills, and you don't need to starve yourself to lose weight. This program has become an online bestseller with thousands of copies sold and boasts rave reviews. But does it really work? Do we really need a new weight loss program with a relatively cool name? Will you become the belle of the ball with the Cinderella Solution? Only one way to find out. Let's examine this product in detail. The good points. 1. The creator of this system, Carly Donovan, is just like most women. She was a busy mom who had been struggling with weight loss and found what worked for her through trial and error. She's not a CrossFitter or some athlete who has no problems shedding the fat. Most women will be able to identify with Carly, and the Cinderella Solution is basically an account of what she did to lose the weight. This is real-world info. She's not a fitness trainer who goes into sports psychology or physiognomy. It's just Carly telling you what she did, and here's the best part: what worked for her seems to be working for most women like her. That's exactly why this product is a runaway bestseller. 2. The system itself is simple and easy to follow. In Chapter 1, you're given an overview of what you need to do and what the program is all about. The focus is more on the food and meal timings, which play a huge role in weight loss. 80% of your weight loss success will depend on what and when you eat. 3. Chapter 2 is about coupling your food choices so that the effect of the foods you eat will not cause your body to gain weight as easily. Besides that, you'll be taught nutrition timing, flavor pairing, and exercises to make you slim. All these may seem complicated, but rest assured they're all simple practices that can be easily adopted. 4. In Chapter 3, you'll learn about Phase 1, which is the Ignite phase, and Phase 2, which is the Launch. Quite frankly, these terms don't really matter. If you get the practices that you were taught in Chapter 2 right, you'll definitely lose weight. The term phases is just clever marketing to make you think that your body loses weight in exciting stages. It doesn't. It loses weight overall, and it works at its own pace. 5. Besides giving you the information about the eating habits you need to adopt to accelerate your weight loss, you're also provided calendars, meal plans, and recipes. Everything is given to you to track your progress and also to ensure that your diet is just right without being overly restrictive. 6. The Cinderella Solution is focused on addressing the reason your body stores fat and how to control fat storage and eliminate existing stubborn fat stores. By taking this approach, not only will you lose the weight you currently have, but you'll be less likely to gain the weight back or do the weight loss cha-cha where you lose 2 pounds this week and gain 3 pounds the next. 7. This is a weight loss program for women by a woman. The official website has several success stories of women who have tried the Cinderella Solution and benefited from it. So, it does work, and that's a relief. 8. The product itself is comprised of a 76-page book, a 30-page practice guide, and a 56-page Cinderella University guide. You have all the information you need to transform your body without becoming a gym rat or having to eat celery for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The bad points. 1. Let's face the facts, weight loss is a slow process. It really is. While the Cinderella Solution will give you all the tools you need to succeed, it will take about 30 days to see some results and about 60 to 90 days to truly look like a brand new you. The good news is that the system is easy to follow. You just need to stick with it, which brings us to the next point. 2. Consistency. You must be consistent. So many people fail here. The Cinderella Solution is not a miracle weight loss pill. It requires you to apply the information consistently for at least 1 to 3 months to see positive results. 3. There are some sites out there calling this product a scam. This can cause jitters in potential buyers. Don't let these sites mislead you. There are people out there who will find an excuse to moan and groan about anything and everything, rather than actually doing the work and making the changes required to improve their lives. The Cinderella solution will work, but you'll need to work it. That's the hard truth. You can make progress or make excuses. You can find inspiration or find inconsistencies. The choice is yours, but only one way will lead you to success. Should you get it? The million-dollar question. Should you spend your money on this product? It depends. If you're a busy mom or a career woman who wishes to shed the stubborn pounds and drop a few dress sizes, the Cinderella solution will definitely help you, and you should get it. This program was designed for the average woman who just wants to lose weight, get healthier and turn a few heads. Most women fall into this category and will benefit from the advice in the guide. However, if you're already athletic and you're trying to get washboard abs or look like a lean Instagram model, you'll probably need a course that's more hardcore and demanding. A chiseled silhouette requires a lot more work and time to achieve. Quite frankly, only a small percentage of women are interested in posting their bikini pictures on social media daily. Most just want the flab to disappear, and they don't want to suffer by starving themselves or sweating buckets while working out daily. If you're one of these women, the Cinderella solution has your name written all over it.